There's one more reason I'm against the CR Touch, BL Touch, or light gate, for example, like on my CR10 Smart, which you can see on the left. Yeah, there's a sensor. I have run multiple times the auto bed leveling system, which uses, I think, 21 to 24 tiles and calibrates the nozzle. And as you can see, it still fails to do the job properly. It's only the left corner, which you can see now, that is being done properly. Now, because since this model uses the spacers, yeah, which are uniform size, which are machine cut, and despite that, despite the baby steps, despite the calibration, digital, all these digital tech, it still fails to do what the rotating knobs can do. The mechanical parts, which are cheaper, yeah, and do better job with the printing, 3D printing. I mean, I have just calibrated 4 corners instead of 21 or 24 points, which does a better job. It reminds me of a comparison of an old car versus a new car, whereas there is like a post, a meme probably, that the car, Volkswagen I think it was, has no hydraulics, no thermostat, no hydraulic calipers or whatever other digital tech sensor, ultrasonic or whatever sensor have you in your car, and it still runs. Because the modern car, if you have a bunch of sensors, if even one fails, sometimes the car is just stopped. That's the same case here with with the missing CR Touch, which you can see now. And basically, if it doesn't work, the printer fails, and you have to do something, like be inventive or do something. And so my point is that the old knobs are far better than any CR Touch or any light gate.